Yes. Dr. Mindy in the house. All right.
I appreciate that.
The carnivore diet.
Because of what we eat.
Honestly, you've really touched my heart.
Do you think humans are on a collision course with extinction if we don't come back to some of these ancient food preparation strategies?
Oh, I think absolutely. Extinction for not only ourselves, but all the resources. I mean, so here, look, this is the most widely grown grain in the world. And I have been, I've been a part of and also witnessed so many conversations where you have some of the best scientists in the world sitting there saying, okay, how are we going to feed a growing population? Oh, maybe we need to genetically modify corn better so that we can plant more stalks on the same acre. And I'm sitting there saying, you're not even getting all the nutrition from the corn we already have. Like, let's not even start to, maybe that is an important conversation to have some time, but we're not there yet because we're not getting all the nutrition from the food we already have access to.
Right. Just because a food can sit on your table and can be highly processed and can go in your mouth doesn't mean it's giving you the nutritional capability that you need to function normally, not even thrive, to function normally as a human. And that has to change, or we are on a collision course with a lot of things.
And on top of that, with sitting on your counter, all this processed food, and you're looking at the box or the can or the plastic package, and you read, the nutritional breakdown on the back and the macro and micronutrients, and you have that unfortunately false sense that, okay, if I eat that food that's going into my body and it's going to nourish, all that's going to nourish me. And the reality is, even if it's there, much of it is going to pass right through your digestive tract if you're not, if you're not healthy and if your food isn't processed properly.
Yeah.
You have the ability to inform yourself and make these decisions and make really profound changes. And these kind of changes aren't the change that, you make that change and you feel better in a week. This is the kind of change that culminates over days and months and years, right? Yeah. In you and just as importantly, in your children and the rest of your family.